Hey my beautiful people, so today we're gonna do this green look, and this green and this chocolate skin, it go together, okay? We are gonna start off with this Juvia's Place palette. We're gonna go with that medium to dark green shade right there, and we are gonna put that on the outer corner of our lids and blend that into our crease. If you're wondering why I keep looking over, I was watching the last episode of The Crown. Yo, it was good. It did not end the way I thought it was gonna end, but yeah, it was good. So we're going to start on the other eye. I am going to put this eye primer on there, let it dry for a second, and then follow up with some setting powder to set that into place. Okay, so we're going to hit this slightly darker green to put in our crease colors, just to darken it up a little bit. And I literally mean this is just a little bit darker. Okay guys, so we're gonna put that shimmery lighter green in the corner of our eyes. We're also gonna take that color that we put in our crease and we're gonna put it under our lash line. We're gonna use this eyeshadow from e.l.f. It's so pretty. It gives holidays to me. We're gonna put that on our lid, the rest of the lid portion that is not covered, and we're gonna let it dry because it is liquid, it is wet, and we don't want to mess it up because we're gonna have to do a little blending between the shadows on the outside and the crease color. And then I put 2 layers on there because I wanted it just to be a little bit more shimmery. Now we're following up with our Fenty because I had already put my foundation on off camera trying to make this a quicker tutorial for you guys. We're using our Fenty as our blush today. It's like pink, and I was like, oh, I just know this pink is gonna look so good with this green. So yeah, I use the Fenty highlighter as my blush for today. While I was waiting on that first little coat of green shadow to dry, I was like, let me do my lips. So y'all know the combination. We're doing this brown lip liner, and we're gonna follow it up with our favorites, which is Cinnamon Roll NYX Butter Gloss. My favorite, y'all. It's my favorite. I've used it so many times now. I'm gonna be out of it soon. And then I'm just gonna follow up with another coat of the green eyeshadow. Now I'm just putting a little bit of a like shimmery pink highlighter on because it's a little bit more shimmery and more on the silverish pink side than the Fenty highlighter is. Now we are doing the liquid liner. It's from Elf, I think. Yes, I love this thing. But y'all, I messed my eyeliner. Look at the wings. Y'all see later. It's fine though. It's alright because we washing this off and going to bed. But but I was like, oh my god, look at it. One was like more curved. One was like off to the side. Struggle. Back with the mascara because once again I went out today and forgot to go to the store and get lash glue. So baby, work Maybelline, work Maybelline. And here is the look. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you click on this playlist right here.